Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we start this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support is all that I need. And so let's get started with the video. So today I'm going to speak to you about how we can create our own app. We can literally create our own app without knowing how to code. Let's get started. So all you have to do is at the beginning, open your laptop or your mobile phone and use a browser, Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge, and type Mobi Roller and click that enter button. And you'll find this links. You'll find many links, and you'll have to click on the first link over here, and this is the website which will allow you to make your own app without knowing how to code, and you don't have to pay any money to create your own app. Now create your own create your app self-service, create your own Android and iOS app without coding, try for free. So this is how your programming page will look like, where you don't have to code, of course. And these are some of the samples that your app will look like. These are the apps which other programmers have made. So let's get started. So all you have to do is click on try it for free, and okay, since I have already had my own page, let's click on to log out and create your. Okay, now you have two options. Either you could put your mail address and password and log in, or you could sign in through Google. Now I would prefer logging in through Google, and so this is how your first page, your introducing page, will look like. uh, Greet the people, create an app. Now hello, now let's get started. Create a new app. Be creative for a successful application. Now app name. So what kind of app? Now you can make any kind of app. You can make an app for your college, or school, or university, or you can make your own app similar to YouTube, or you could make an app similar to Instagram and Facebook. Now I'll make a basic app that might be an app which contains document or notes of your institution or college. So I will make it. Let me name this app as notes. Continue. So it will ask you for choosing a template, of course. So these templates are automatically created by the app for you, depending on what you select. Now you have options where you can select. Here you could put education. Now I have selected education because I have selected, and I prefer to make an app which contains the notes of an institution or school or college. You could also make a business or shopping or fitness, special day, Christmas or something. So I'll go with education. You also have personal, of course. I'll go with education, and let's go with this one. This one. Okay. Preparing your new app. Go to control panel. Now, what they'll say is your 80% app is completed. That is naming your app and designing the background. Most of your work is done. I've told you there is no coding required at all. So most of your app or can say 80% of your app has been completed. All you have to do is remaining 20% where there is no coding required at all. So only add content part is remaining, and you have to click on this, where you will already have these many options or menus which you can add into your app and make it look interesting and design or put your skills. You have active features, push notification, advertisement, design templates, advanced statistics, login and membership, a lot of stuff, registration, multi-app, intro message, and you have these. You can ask for a poll, survey, question answer, order, and push notification, menu, lot and lot check-in, suggest a new module, QR code reader, web link. You can give them your website link in this app. You can connect it. You can connect your website to your app, and you have coupons and mobile payments. You can make transactions. Now I want to make an app which stores the document. Now what I can do, standard content. Let's say I'm making an institution notes for an engineering college where there are 4 year of study and 8 semesters. I'll make the document for the first year engineering students. First year engineering students. And here you can fill this file contains the notes and question bank for the first year students, and you can also include the first sem, second sem, physics cycle or chemistry cycle. Now these are the options where you get to choose your background color, your text background color, where you can adjust it to white or you can make it black. So I'll prefer this. You can also adjust the opacity and background, and you can pick image from your background. Now these pictures, and you also have a sample of your app which will show you how your app looks. Now this is it will not show you until you create your first file, of course. Now you can add pic to your background, where you have to go to desktop, and then you can select varieties of. Let me select this pic for instance, and you can control, of course. I'm just giving you an example. You can put some other pic, or so I'll be putting this pic, and it'll take a bit of time, maybe due to the server. And okay, your image has been uploaded, and so all you have to do, and you can change the icon here, because since it's an you can also put an image, of course, or you can use the library images which are already there. So this is something for engineer. So let's select. You have many options. You can also put your YouTube link, you app for your YouTube, Spotify, Twitter, and mail, Instagram, Facebook, call. You can use this for contact us. Now I've selected this icon and then I'll click on save. Okay, your file has been created. Now if you check, okay, your first, now of course I know that the background is due to the background you are not able to, the text is of course not that visible, but that definitely you can change that over here. And over here background image, you can change the image and make it much more interesting. And now since I don't want to extend the time of this video, I'll make it quick. I'll just give you the idea how it's done. Add another, and you can add another over here, and you can type for um, what can I say, second year ENG. Sorry for the spelling errors. Notes for second year, and you know this where you can add. Now here what you can do is you could use Google Drive has a storage space for your app where you can save all the document in that storage space, where you will get 15 GB of data for free for every mail ID, where your data will be saved with the Google and whereas if you store it here, what happens is your app loading will be slower, and you might face the that your app doesn't work properly. What happens is now what for example, if you do write notes for the second year, and if you type your let me say so it's second year, so it will be um, third sem, and what you can do is add the link over here. Of course, HTTPS should be in small letters, lowercase HTTPS, and, add your link, whatever that might be over here. For example, uh, drive dot xyz something. So you can add it over here. So that what happens is when you publish this, for example, okay, okay, for example. Have put this link through drive and have saved this file. Save this file. So all you have to do here is just fill. It's more like fill in the blanks. So you have to fill in the blanks, and your app will be created automatically. You don't have to. You don't even need to have any basic idea about coding over here. Everything happens by itself. All you have to do is have an idea. That's it. um, so as you create more files, it will get increased. And now for example, see, so since I didn't include background image, so it doesn't show background image over here. Once you include the background image over here, it will definitely show you background image here, and the text will be down, and you can change the background color, of course. Now due to the background, your text is not visible. Now this HTTPS link, since it's not a correct link that I've typed, if it's a correct link, it will show you in blue, which is usually shown in any website that you might see. It will show you blue texts when you click on it, and your files will be safer, and you don't have any problem of any type of theft if you save it in Google. So you can directly download it from there. Now what you can definitely create more, because you have more options in this content section. You could use For example, you can use chat and message where you can have interact with them. You can use YouTube and give them the link of your YouTube channel, and they can watch your YouTube from this app itself. Instagram, Twitter, and of course, um, you have FAQ, PDF reader. You can put your PDF, of course, in box, and you have. Website, you can connect to your website links, your online websites that you have, book your tickets. Everything is possible. All you need is an idea, and you have everything here. And you had you even have push notification, and you have this push notification where in case for example, now since I'm speaking to you about I'm speaking to you about an app for institution. Now, this push notification is very essential feature where due to this pandemic, many students are at home. It's not easy to communicate with them. Now, this push notification very good application which can be used. Now, for example, if there are 100 students, you need not contact them personally. You can directly type your message and send it, and whoever have this app will receive this message and can act on it. You can also create a folder here, or sites here, or upload your answer sheets. Your exams can be conducted, your folders, everything. You can also make a app where you can upload your projects and people can poll on it. Since you have polling over here, you had this option somewhere. I had mentioned it. You have that. You can rate this app, of course, and your membership, of course, logging in, and you have paid promotions over here. Promotions. See, promotions are there. E-commerce products and monetization, advertisements. See, in this thing, you have advertisement, and you have and login information. For example, if the person has to log in to see this application, you can also use that enable login, and you can put in sign in through Google, and the person has to log in through Google to access this uh, app. So it's really nice. And you have dashboard. And now, how to generate your app. So all the work is done. All the work is done. You can see the sample over here once you have finished it. And this works in both Android as well as iOS. So of course, this is just an example. You can make it much more creative. A professional look can be given using this. I don't want to extend the time of this video. So you can generate the app. It will ask you yes or no whether you want to generate. Do you want to start the app generation? You have to click yes, and it will ask you for a package name. You can give any package name. That might be university. Okay, control delete uni dot com. You can put uni dot com, and you can put generate. And what happens is your app will start generating. And what happens is this app will generate automatically, and you will receive the app's link, direct downloading link, to your mail ID, the mail ID through which you have logged in to this particular mail ID. You will get the direct installation link to your app, and you will have your own app without coding. All you have to do is use Mobi Roller, and it's all done. And once you are aware of all the um, steps or all the features, you can create your own app. You can create a professional in a professional way with in all about maybe 1.5 or 2 hours you can create your own app with the professional look. Mm, so okay, it's I don't want to extend the length of this video, of course. So thank you guys for watching this YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want any other video or any other want any kind of clarification in this app, or if you want any explanation, or if you have any doubt in any other online website, so I'll be releasing how to create your own website. Of course, this is for an app, and I will be creating another video where I'll be explaining how can you create your own website, web page, without having zero knowledge about coding, and how can you create your own website. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Take care, stay safe. See ya.